In the world of small business accounting, efficiency is the name of the game. Manually entering every transaction from your bank statements into your accounting software can be a tedious, time-consuming, and error-prone process. This is why a crucial feature for any modern accounting solution is the ability to connect directly to your bank account. For those considering FreshBooks to manage their finances, a common and very valid question is, can you link your bank account to FreshBooks? As an accounting software expert, I can confirm with absolute certainty. Yes, you can indeed link your bank account to FreshBooks. This functionality is not just a nice-to-have. It's a fundamental feature that transforms how freelancers and small businesses manage their expenses, track income, and reconcile their books. The power of bank connections in FreshBooks. Linking your bank account and credit card accounts to FreshBooks means setting up a direct, secure feed of your financial transactions into your accounting software. This automation significantly reduces manual data entry and provides a more accurate, real-time picture of your financial health. Here's how it typically works and why it's so beneficial. Automatic transaction import. Once connected, FreshBooks will automatically pull in transactions from your chosen bank and credit card accounts. This includes all your income, deposits, and expenses, withdrawals, purchases. Instead of you having to manually input each transaction from your bank statement, FreshBooks does the heavy lifting for you. Smart categorization. FreshBooks employs intelligent algorithms to help categorize your imported transactions. For example, if you frequently spend at a specific office supply store, FreshBooks can learn to automatically categorize those transactions as office supplies. You can also create your own custom rules for categorization, further automating the process over time. This saves immense time during tax season and provides clear insights into where your money is going. Bank reconciliation. This is where the magic truly happens for maintaining accurate books. Bank reconciliation is the process of matching the transactions imported from your bank account with the entries already recorded in FreshBooks, like invoices paid or expenses created manually. FreshBooks Bank Reconciliation feature helps you quickly identify matching transactions, ensuring that your internal records align perfectly with your bank statements. This helps catch errors, detect potential fraud, and verify that all payments and deposits are accounted for. It's like having a digital assistant meticulously comparing your records to the bank's. Real-time financial overview. With your bank accounts linked, your FreshBooks dashboard and reports will reflect your financial situation with near real-time accuracy. You can see your current cash balance, track spending patterns, and monitor your profit and loss without waiting for monthly bank statements or manually updating figures. This immediate insight is invaluable for making informed business decisions. Expense management. Beyond just categorizing, FreshBooks allows you to attach receipts to imported expenses, either by uploading them directly or by snapping a picture with the FreshBooks mobile app. This digital record-keeping simplifies audits and ensures you have all the necessary documentation for tax deductions.